Hello everyone and welcome back. So let's solve this question, and we are given the curve y cube minus y square minus y plus x square by 4 is equal to 0, and part A asks show that dy dx is equal to minus x by 2 into 3y square minus 2y minus 1. So first differentiate implicitly. Okay, we differentiate both sides with respect to x. Now differentiate term by term. So derivative of y cube is 3y square dy dx. Okay, derivative of y square is equal to what? 2y dy dx. Derivative of y is equal to dy dx, and derivative of 1 by 4 x square is equal to what? 1 by 2x, and derivative of 0 is 0. So we get 3y square dy dx minus 2y dy dx plus minus dy dx plus 1 by 2x is equal to 0. Now factor out dy dx. So we get minus 2y minus 1 plus half x is equal to 0. Now solve for dy dx. Move the x term to the other side. So we get right. Now divide dy dx is equal to minus of 1 by 2x by 3y square minus 2y minus 1. Now multiply numerator and denominator. So we get dy dx is equal to minus x by 2 into 3y square minus 2y minus 1. So proved. Okay. Now come to part B. Point P is near 2 minus 1 with x is equal to 1.6. Use the tangent line 2 minus 1 to approximate y. Okay, so first find the slope at 2 minus 1. Okay, so use the formula dy dx is equal to minus x by 2 into 3y square minus 2y minus 1. Okay, now substitute x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. So first compute the denominator. So we get 3 into minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. That is 3 into 1 plus 2 minus 1, that is 4. Okay, so dy dx is equal to minus 2 by 2 into 4, that is minus 2 by 8, that is minus 1 by 4. So slope is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now point slope from y minus minus 1, that is minus 1 by 4 into x minus 2, or y plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 4 into x minus 2. Now approximate at x is equal to 1.6. So we get y plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 4 into 1.6 minus 2, that is minus 1 by 4 into minus 0.4, that is 0.1. So y is equal to what? Y is equal to 0.1 minus 1, that is minus 0.9. So approximate y coordinate is equal to minus 0.9. Okay. Now come to part C. For x greater than 0 and y greater than 0, tangent is vertical. Vertical tangent means dy dx is undefined. That happens when denominator is equal to 0. Now set denominator equal to 0. So 3y square minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now factor 3y plus 1 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 1 by 3 or y is equal to 1. Since question says y greater than 0, so we get y is equal to 1. So this is the final answer for part C. Now let's come to part D. Okay, curve H 2xy, right? So at 4 1 given dx dt is equal to 3. Now we have to find dy dt. Okay, so here differentiate 2xy, use the product rule, that is 2 into x dy dt plus y into dx dt. Okay, so derivative of will be 1 by y dy dt, and derivative of 8 is 0, so we get right. Okay, now substitute the values at 4 1 dx dt is what, 3, so we get 2 into 4 dy dt plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into dy dt is equal to 0, that is that is 8 dy dt plus 6 plus dy dt is equal to 0. So 9 dy dt plus 6 is equal to 0. So 9 dy dt is equal to minus 6. So dy dt is equal to minus 6 by 9, that is minus 2 by 3. Okay, so final answer for part D will be dy dt is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay, so final answer summary: A, for part A, dy dx is equal to minus x by 2 into 3y square minus 2y minus 1. For part B, approximate y 0.9, and for C, vertical tangent at y is equal to 1, and for D, dy dt is equal to minus 2 by 3. So this is the whole summary for this question. So I hope this solution is clear to you. So see you in the next session with a new question. Till then, bye bye and take care.